Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zama and today I'm going to be reviewing the Invanti bike. The company was nice enough to gift me this bike, so thank you so much. I am a bike collector. I have a whole collection here to the right of my garage here. I have a super old yellow Schwinn bike that's a little rusty and I've had that one for about maybe like 20 years. I do have like a white electric bike. I have an Echo bike. Now I have this one to add to the mix, and this one is super cool because it is a foldable bike and it's very compact. The shipping was super fast. It came in about like 3 days. The box was not very big. Everything was super nicely packaged. There was a lot of zip ties, so I recommend one of those knives, like cutting knives, to remove all the packaging. Nothing came scraped or scratched or broken. It came out perfect, so kudos to the company in the packaging. And I'm going to be reviewing the bike a little later. I'll have timestamps just in case you want to skip over, and I will be unboxing it as well just in case you want to see that. I will also be showing the assembly of the bike. It was super easy. One person can totally do it. We do have a 1-year-old in our house, so he is a handful and he always needs a lot of attention. So my husband was able to help, but we did it in less than 15 minutes because I was checking the footage and it took less than 15 minutes, and that was him reading the instructions. But it's very, you don't really need to read the instructions. It's all very like, it kind of makes sense once you unbox it and you see everything. All the tools are also included, so that is great. You won't be needing any extra tools. So let's get started with the video. Again, I am going to be showing you the unboxing, the assembly, and my actual thoughts of this bike. So let's get started.
You get these two pieces, goes in there, and then it'll click into place. And this goes onto here, and you can adjust it. And use the screw.
Here, show the screw. Let me see the screw.
Here, so you undo this, so it comes like this, locked already. Then you unlock this to loosen this up, and then you put this in here, and you slide that in there, and you just pull this down to tighten it.
Okay.
And then basically do the same here. Pull that up and then fold it down. You get that?
Yeah.
So you can adjust it there.
Oh, that's nice. Perfect. All right, so
Left, right.
okay, perfect. Open that up.
See, it loosens it up.
Seems a little
You see that?
high. Yeah.
Make sure it's switched to off. And then we press this here.
What, you open this little thing? It says to open this, so that's where it goes. The charger.
That's the charge port, yeah. But if you want to take the battery off completely to charge it, so then you press this little button here, and it folds up, and then you come over here for the key. So you switch this. So the battery is locked right now. And you switch the key this way, and now you can take the battery out altogether. And then you can plug it in and charge it. So now it's going to start turning. Inflate to 40 psi. Just hit this on here.
That's nice.
Using the 4mm. You want to get really technical, but they give you a full set of Allen keys.
So this is an overview of the bike. I just went for a ride, and something that I did want to mention, when you turn it on, make sure you press this on for a couple of seconds. There you go. And then this will, you can use it, you see. So just an FYI there. This is the screen. These are the handlebars. This is the reflective light. You can, I was thinking maybe of like kind of zip tying this, because this is kind of like protruding a little much, so I think maybe a zip tie wouldn't be bad there. These are the 20-inch fat tires, the light right here, and the nice and beautiful thick matte black frame. This is where you collapse it right here. The pedals, the back, the battery, the adapter goes here, and the button right here. The cushion, you press this button here to remove the battery. Make sure you have the key in here to remove it. It's really easy. I don't have the key with me, but this is the seat. It's very, very comfy. I don't see replacing this. I've had other bikes where the seats are very uncomfortable, but this one is very, very comfy and nice and wide. And you can also add accessories if you want, like in the back or a basket. This is the other side. The footrest is a very nice sturdy footrest. Again, this is a pretty heavy bike. If you're looking for a light bike, this isn't it. But again, it is very nice and compact. It's not as big as a traditional bike. Again, it is a very compact bike. Hey guys, this is another day. I'm wearing another outfit. I just went for a ride on the electric compact bike, and it goes very, very fast. So I do recommend to be very cautious around your surroundings. I just did it around my neighborhood and it goes very fast. So just be mindful of like driveways, vehicles coming in and out. This is perfect for like long paths. We do have a bike path here close to our home, which is perfect for that. It's also perfect if you don't want a bulky bicycle, if you live in an apartment, a smaller garage, or just want a smaller bike to kind of put in your vehicle. I also wanted to mention that the accelerator is very, you kind of have to get used to it. This is my second bike and I still kind of feel like I haven't gotten used to using electric bikes. Just be mindful, they go very, very fast. And if you kind of keep your hands towards the middle of the handlebar, it's very unpredictable. Sometimes don't think you're accelerating and then it kind of goes. So I think it just takes some learning to do. If you don't want to ride the bike and use it as an electric bike, I recommend putting your hands on the outer end of the handlebars. Have any bikes that you own yourself or you're in the market, please let us know anything below that you kind of want to bring up on electric bikes. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah.